cosplay world. If you're looking for an alternative to using acrylic for your special effects or floaty effects, mesh fabric is a pretty good option. You see, we can, with a bit of style and an artistic choice, we can make it pull off the same kinds of tricks, especially if you have really transparent or light mesh to add your materials or floaty effects or even some small light accessories. I think the best example of this is when fairy wings are supported by a wireframe and they've got various details on them with fabric paint, but also with, say, beads or other attachments as well. And they can look fantastic, and it's a bit more stable. It doesn't take as much weight and being careful as acrylics while walking around the con, so it's a good option. The other thing is, as you can see from the video, I use it as a base. I use mesh fabric as a base for my monstrous works. So when I'm putting latex down, it needs some kind of surface to get started, a good strong material to bond into, and mesh fabrics provide that, especially a very fine mesh fabric, so that the pattern of the fabric itself doesn't come through, and it takes less layers to kind of create the monstrous effect. The trick here is that I don't want the latex or material I'm working with to be too thick. So a good base is really important to make sure that, one, it's not goddamn heavy, and two, that it's nice and flexible, because more layers means it's heavier and thicker and more bulky, and it's generally more of a pain in the butt to work around. I hope these ideas inspire you. Good luck. Good times to all. Urgh! If you like this video, we have a matching video on finalcosplaycore.com. Click the link in the description to check it out.